Hi everybody, how are you? Hope that you are well both physically and mentally. I am Riyad Hossain Mondol, an English teacher, and welcome to my channel English with RH Mondol. Today we are going to learn spoken English with the help of some interesting sentences. If you go on practicing these sentences regularly, I am sure that one day you will be able to speak English fluently. So let's have a start. Today we are going to learn English grammar, spoken English and vocabulary with the help of an interesting story. Today I shall tell you a story and try to understand the actual meaning of the story. And in the story you will find some important words. Try to understand the meaning of these words and consult a dictionary if you don't know the meaning of the words. It is actually the story of an old woman who lived in a beautiful house. Now I shall start the story. The old woman and the doctor. Once upon a time there was an old woman who lived in a small town. She was very rich. She had a very beautiful house. It was full of various costly furniture. She was very much fond of watching TV. As she had nothing to do, she watched TV all the time. After a few years, she started to feel pain in her legs. Gradually, her eyesight became weaker and weaker. Finally, she became totally blind. One day, she went to a doctor for her treatment. The doctor was an oculist. He was the most renowned ophthalmologist of the town. The doctor started his treatment. He prescribed a course of medicine. The doctor told that it would take 3 months to bring back her eyesight. But the doctor said that he would have to visit the lady for 6 times in 3 months. He guaranteed the woman that she would surely be cured, but the doctor demanded a large sum of money from the lady for his treatment. The lady agreed to pay the money, but only when she could get back her eyesight. Then her treatment began. The old lady gradually got back her eyesight. Every time the doctor visited the lady, he stole the costly furniture one by one from the house. Finally, the house was totally empty. After 3 months of treatment, the lady was completely recovered. Then the doctor demanded the fees from the lady, but the lady refused to pay any fees. She told that she had not got back her eyesight, so the doctor lodged a complaint against the lady in the court. Before the judge, the lady said that she had not been cured. She said she was blind as before. To support her statement, the lady said, "I am not cured of my blindness. I cannot see the costly furniture of my house. I cannot pay the fees." Thus the dishonest doctor was deprived of his fees. This is the story. But what is the actual meaning or actual moral of the story? It means that a dishonest man does not get anything in the society. A man who cheats others is himself cheated by others. So we should be honest all through our life if we want to get success in life. Now come to the second part of this lesson. Here it is actually vocabulary, that is the word stock. You should know the actual meaning of some important words. In this passage or in this story, you will find some important words. Now I shall discuss these words one by one. The first word is ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. What is the meaning of this word? It means eye specialist or oculist. Eye specialist or oculist. Actually, the word means a doctor who studies and treats the problems and diseases of eye. A doctor who studies and treats the problems and diseases of eye. What is the actual origin of this word? Actually, this word has been originated from a Latin word. The Latin word is ophthalmos. Ophthalmos. Ophthalmos is actually a Latin word, and ophthalmos means eye. In Latin, ophthalmos means eye, and from the word ophthalmos we get a lot of words like ophthalmic, ophthalmitis, ophthalmology, ophthalmoplegia, ophthalmoscope, etc. All these words contains the Latin root ophthalmos meaning eye. What is the meaning of the word ophthalmic? Ophthalmic. Ophthalmic is actually an adjective. It means something relating to the eyes and its disease. Ophthalmic means relating to the eyes and its diseases. What is the meaning of the word ophthalmitis? Ophthalmitis, ophthalmitis. Ophthalmitis means inflammation of the eye. Inflammation of the eye. Now, what is the meaning of the word ophthalmology? Ophthalmology, the branch of science. It means the branch of science dealing with eye and its treatment. The branch of science dealing with eye and its treatment. In the same way, we get some other words like ophthalmoplegia. Ophthalmoplegia means paralysis of the muscles within or surrounding eye. Ophthalmoscope. Ophthalmoscope is actually an instrument for inspecting the retina and other parts of the eye. The next word is refuse. Refuse. It means reject or discard. We offered him food, but he refused to accept. The next word is complaint. Complaint is actually a noun and it means grievance. Sentence. The customer made a complaint against the shopkeeper. The customer made a complaint against the shopkeeper. The next word is deprive. Deprive means to take away something or to deny someone of something. Sentence. Many children are deprived of education. Many children are deprived of education. The next word is furniture. Furniture. It is actually an uncountable noun. It has no plural form. We should not use s after furniture. We cannot say furnitures. It is always furniture. One furniture, two furniture. What is the meaning of the word? Furniture means the movable decorative articles or items of a room. Chairs and sofas are furniture. Sentence. We bought many furniture for our house. We bought many furniture for our house. Not furnitures, but furniture. The next word is oculist. What is the meaning of the word oculist? The word means an eye specialist. An eye specialist or eye doctor. A person who specializes in the treatment of eye. A person who specializes in the treatment of eye. Actually, the word comes from a Latin word oculus, O-C-U-L-U-S. O-C-U-L-U-S, oculus is a Latin root which means eye. From oculus we get other words. The next word is optician. Optician. What is the meaning of the word? Optician means a person who makes and sells lenses and spectacles. A man or a person who makes and sells lenses or spectacles. Latin opticus means to see. Opticus is a Latin word which means to see, and from the word opticus we get the words like optician, etc. The next word is renowned. Renowned means famous or celebrated or well known. Example, he is a renowned photographer, or he is renowned as a musician. That's all from me. I can hope that you have liked my video. If you like my video, you may share it with your friends and relatives, and you must subscribe my channel. And if you want To watch my videos, go to YouTube and write English with R.H. Mondal, and then you will get all my videos. And from my videos, you will be able to learn spoken English, English grammar, and vocabulary. That is the word stock. Thank you very much for watching my video.